Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you unboxing of 5000 milliampere power bank. Here you can see that. Now let's open it, then I will show you unboxing. In next project, I will make it power bank. So don't forget to subscribe. Now let's open it and then I will show you. There is paperwork. I just buy it from Draz.pk. There is power bank body. There is power bank module. Here you can see that. There is charging percentage.